Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have a target Python installed. Now start by locating its interpreter path. If you used Conda, open Anaconda prompt and run. Conda activate env, then where Python or which Python. If you used pyenv or system install, find full path in pyenv which or /usr/bin/python3. Once done, make sure Spyder is closed so changes apply cleanly. And note whether you need a virtual environment or base environment for packages you plan to use. Open Spyder and navigate to Tools, then Preferences, then Python Interpreter. Use the following Python interpreter and paste the interpreter path you verified earlier. If you use a conda env, ensure the env is activated or that the path points to the env's Python executable. Click Apply. Spyder will warn about restarting the kernel. Restart the IDE to let the new interpreter initialize and check the internal console and sys version to verify you're on the expected Python release. After restarting, open the IPython console and run import sys, print sys version to confirm. If packages are missing, install them into that interpreter. Use pip install or conda install while targeting the selected environment. If the console fails to start or shows version mismatch, restart Spyder again and double-check the interpreter path for typos. Key troubleshooting tip: if kernels crash, create a fresh virtual environment with the desired Python. Install Spyder kernels there, then point Spyder to that environment to avoid extension incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.